Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about the best Etsy digital products for 2024. If you're looking for unique and creative digital products, Etsy is the place to be. First up, we have customizable digital planners. These are perfect for staying organized and productive. Check out the Modern Minimalist Planner or the Boho Chic Planner for some stylish options. Just look at these. They are truly beautiful. Next, we have digital art prints. Spruce up your space with some beautiful artwork like the abstract watercolor prints or the botanical illustrations. I am just scrolling through these exquisite jobs so you know they really exist in Etsy shops. If you're into journaling, digital journal templates are a must-have. The Gratitude Journal template and the Self-Care Journal are great options to explore. Most of these shops are owned by small creators or sellers that don't have thousands of dollars to create large-scale campaign. You will be helping them to grow by patronizing them. For all the creative souls out there, digital brush sets are essential. Elevate your designs with the PROCREATE brush bundle or the watercolor texture brushes. Don't forget about digital stickers. Add some fun to your projects with the Cute Animals sticker pack or the Vintage Floral stickers. Just in case you are interested in making easy money on the Etsy platform, watch our beginner's guide on how to set up shop in Etsy platform to sell digital products. So, there you have it, the ultimate 2024 Etsy digital product guide. Which product was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.